Hello, good morning. I hope you can hear me in Belgrade. So I wish everybody good morning, and I'm sorry that I couldn't arrive to your beautiful city, but I look forward, maybe I can still make it for tomorrow and for Thursday, just for the case that somebody would like maybe to meet me later on.
Good morning,
Thank
Tomasz.
you,
We hear you.
Mr. Dejan Sanic, for invitation for this conference. And yeah, let me say a few words about the company Skyline Software Systems. Okay, basically Skyline Software Systems is already a classic company in 3D GIS. The company exists already since more than 20 years. It was originally based in Israel, but within last couple of years, we have headquarters in Washington in United States. The company is privately held and the revenues is approximately $10 million. Okay, very brief glance of history. Basically, what is very interesting, that originally this team was developing computer games back in 90s, and during this development my today's colleagues they have developed a graphic engine for the visualization of Earth, etc. And then one of the founders, Ronnie Yaron, was reading the classic book Snow Crash from Neil Stephenson, and he realized that one day in future the whole globe, the whole Earth will be probably visualized in 3D, and that's how the mission on 3D GIS of Skyline started. So basically today the company has, sorry for that, the company has full range of software packages which are covering basically capturing the data, putting together digital surface model, digital terrain model, then adding the photorealistic photo mesh model to that, a lot of analytical software which allows you to do a lot of operations in the 3D environment, and I think that's at the moment the best competitive advantage of Skyline, very quick capabilities of internet streaming of the 3D content. In which industries are we actually working? So of course, by the nature we are working in defense and intelligence, like mission planning, assets tracking, intelligence analysis, command and control. This is also valid for public safety. We are now in Europe, in Germany, Czech Republic, Hungary, and many other countries. We are in discussion also with public safety, like fire brigades and police. Okay, then, wow, I don't know, sorry about this. Then, in terms of commercial applications, it's planning and simulation, 3D urban planning, assets tracking, for instance, in mining industries. And last 2-3 years, we are very active in so-called smart city. We are delivering solutions for utility companies, like you can see right here. We are also delivering 3D models of cities together with our partners, where you can then do the pollution analysis, noise analysis, and many other types of analytical functions. This is basically the product and solution architecture of Skyline. So here are the data sources. Since it is very specialized GIS conference, I'm not gonna explain these data sources because you are probably much bigger experts than I am. But here, those are the software packages of Skyline for building the model. So basically, TerraBuilder, PhotoMesh, City Builder, those products are designed, or the functionality is to put together digital terrain model, digital surface model, and then the photorealistic PhotoMesh model. And with City Builder, you combine all these data together in order to create the full 3D model of a city. Terra Explorer Pro is on one side an editor where you can also add some features and layers, etc. But it is also analytical tool. Then the whole model can be published on Skyline Globe server, which is our streaming product, and then the model is streamed into local area network or to the internet. And here are our clients where the user can consume the data. So first of all, desktop. The very advanced user can use Terra Explorer Pro or just Terra Explorer. Then we have Terra Explorer for web, which is working directly in your browser environment. And it has a lot of very wide functionality as well. For instance, this is a classic product which our customers in cities in Europe are now using. And then, of course, we have a mobile application for Android and for iOS, where the user can also view and analyze the model. Now, a little bit more just briefly about particular products. So for the authoring, we have these editors, TerraBuilder, PhotoMesh, City Builder, and we are providing also a lot of different tools for preparing and authoring the data. Then this is TerraBuilder, which basically creates the 3D terrain database, MPT, out of orthophotos, DM, and raster files. Then the next product is PhotoMesh. Basically, this is the core product, taking oblique and nadir photographs and putting it together to 3DML mesh models and through orthophotos. Here I would like to say a few words more about PhotoMesh. This product is very scalable. So basically with PhotoMesh we are working with a concept which we call fuser, and one fuser can run on one computer, on one machine, and typically our customers are using 6, 7, 20, sometimes even 50 computers, where those computers are running in parallel diffusers, and the big model is then created very quickly. Also, Skyline has its own cloud production capabilities, and some of our customers who are putting together the 3D models are renting these fusers in our own cloud, and sometimes the situation is that they are employing, for instance, 1,000 fusers for instance, one weekend. So very scalable product. City Builder then puts together the 3D mesh model with classification layers, and then we have the full city photorealistic model. Terra Explorer Pro, I have mentioned already a little bit, is the editor, but also strong analytical tool. As soon as we publish it via Skyline Globe server, the users can then consume the data with Terra Explorer, or with Terra Explorer for web, or with mobile functionalities. basically, that's all about the products. Here is the contact information to me. Here is my email address and phone number. And as I have already mentioned, with God's help, if I fly tonight, it's my second try to fly to Belgrade. So maybe I am there tomorrow and also Thursday morning. So if anybody is interested to meet me, please talk to Mr. Sanic and we can schedule a meeting. I have also with me some documents and some USB flash keys with demo data for those of you who are maybe interested to hear more. Okay. I thank you very much for your attention and enjoy the rest of the day and the rest of the conference. Wishing good day to Belgrade.
Možemo da probamo, znači ovo sad mene zanima kao eksperiment, pošto konferencija ide uživo, nažalost na ovom laptopu mikrofon ne radi, ali možemo da probamo u narednih minut ili dva da postavimo pitanje tako što će on praktično slušati vaše pitanje na YouTube-u, odgovarati preko Skype-a. Znači to možemo da probamo, ali ne znamo da li će raditi, tako da ako hoćete ili možemo kasnije da napravimo pitanje da krene sledeći predavač.
Možemo da sakupimo pitanje možda, pa da probamo to.
Dobro, može, ok. Ništa, može sledeći.
Pa hvala, sad bi se zahvalila Tomašu, mislim da je prezentacija baš bila interesantna i vrlo jasna, ne znam kako je bilo vezano za engleski jezik, da li ste uspeli da pratite? Dobro, drago mi je.